Hi guys, welcome to Comfort Life channel. I am very happy to see you here today. In this video, as you can see, I have another package, and that is another package from the AnnMarie website. Well, I have told you before when I've ordered just a little sample that the website is expensive, but I got a deal of 25% off when, like, you know, the Christmas holiday gift. And I have decided after trying just a few products that I would definitely go ahead and order it. So by the way, this website doesn't pay me for, you know, making an ad for their company. This is just something I've been trying, and so far I was really happy with the products. Even though you're afraid, you know, you have oily skin, you can simply choose the oil just right for the acne prone and oily skin. So as we could see, it starts with a little gift of lavender. Actually, that's the same thing I have received in my previous package. You could steam your face with it or use it for decorations, you know, new DIY recipes, let's say. And this is everything I have gotten here. That's the citrus stem cell serum. That's the serum, and at first it might really look like the size is not that big for the price you paid, but trust me, it will last you a long time, especially if you combine it with some other, you know, products, maybe something DIY. So that's the serum. It's a very interesting bottle, like a protective thing. So I will use the serum on my face after or before I use the oil, or just maybe alone under makeup. It works really good. I had her sample. It feels light. It doesn't give you a greasy feeling, so that's important. The second product I have is herbal facial oil for oily skin. That's what I wanted to get specifically, even though it's winter months right now. And you could apply it on your face morning and night. And well, just take a look at the ingredients and imagine that all these ingredients are of natural origin and even organically grown or wildcrafted. It really like blows your mind, all right? So that's the second. It's the same size. Also here, this little pouch right here, this was a set, I believe I am right, which they offered to get at a reduced price. This is the Sun Love Broad Spectrum SPF 20. That's like a cream of sorts. This is the citrus stem cell serum, also a little gift right here. And this is the coconut body oil. I know it's very small, so it's just to try it out, like samples. And this little thing is, oops, it's the aloe vera cleanser. So I mean, it's not a lot, right? But this is specifically for you to try it out and see how your skin really likes it and responds to it before you spend the money and order the full-size products. Now this beautiful thing, which I'm actually capable of opening with just one hand, or not, yes I am. Wow. There's more goodness in here. So that is a Neroli toning mist. I've already had one in my first video, but I really like that. It has a wonderful feeling on your skin, and what I've discovered, you could even use it on top of the moisturizer or just for your face throughout the day, especially if your face needs some extra hydration. So that is the herbal facial oil, also for normal and combination skin. So something additional for me to try out. Now that little thing is a facial scrub. The way you use it, you need to combine it with water and then massage it into your skin. So I will definitely see how that works. And that is the full-size aloe vera cleanser. So I'm going to use that as well. So as you can see, I have like a little thing of that and the full-size product. So now this is probably tells us something how to use these things. Oh, and that was my very good discovery that AnnMarie has the minerals like multi-purpose foundation. This is just a sample kit. It's I think it's $20, and the reason for you to order a sample kit, because you really don't know, let me move that, you really don't know which color would be good for you, and because it's not really cheap, it's about like $50 a foundation. This is for you just to try it out, and it even has the herbal facial oil because you're supposed to mix the two up. And I figured it's not a bad idea to order everything, even though it has dark colors for me, like being light skinned, because you could use it as you know, to defy your eyeline, or maybe for bronzer, or even as the eyeshadow, right? And you could use some of that as the illuminator. You know, you can actually get creative and finally figure out which color suits you best. And even if you know, really want to go ahead and move forward ordering a full-size product. So I really love it. I think it's really great to play with them and work with them. So if you have any questions, because you know, I am sticking with Rejuva Minerals right now, but I think it's never a bad idea to expand your options. So this is everything I've got. It's a lot of things, and trust me, I've received a lot of products for the money I paid, even though it doesn't seem, you know, a little, but I thought that I could treat myself and make a little gift for myself, so this way, you know, my skin feels loved as well. All of that, guys, if you have any questions about me using it, as now I have some experience with it, I would be happy to share with you, you know, whatever I think, the best way I think it's good to use it. Also, I had a few thoughts about, let's say they have an exfoliating product which costs like $60 and I've read the ingredients, and I am thinking it's absolutely possible to sort of recreate it at home, make it a DIY product. So I will work on that for sure, because if you buy the oils, they contain like so many oils in there, besides you don't really know the proportions. So it would be even cheaper to buy a bottle of oil like that, rather than you buy all kind of oils they use and then try to mix them up in a perfect consistency. But as far as the exfoliation, I think it's a little easier, especially if you know like 5 most important ingredients. You could also customize them according to your preference. Once I'm done with that, maybe if I'm successful to recreate it at some point, you know, so my skin loves it, I would be so happy to share with you. So guys, I don't really want to waste your time anymore. If you have any questions, again, let me know. Actually has tons of instructions here too. So anyways, I wish you guys all the best. I wish you be beautiful. I wish you be happy. I wish you to enjoy your day very, very much. And if you also have any experience with AnnMarie Skin Care, please do share. I would love that. If you guys like this video, please put a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.